Today, now we are going to discuss how to find the surface areas and volumes of three-dimensional objects. Okay, before we start with that, just revise what you have learned in the last class. We learned about the formula, isn't it? Recall the formula. What about circle? For a circle, surface circumference of a circle is 2 pi r and the area of the circle is pi r square, isn't it? Area of the circle is pi r square. And what about for a triangle? For a triangle, half into base into height, isn't it? If it is an scalene triangle, we use the formula root of s into s minus a, s minus b into s minus c. And for a square, it is perimeter is 4 into side and area is side into side, isn't it? And for a rectangle, length into breadth is the formula for area and perimeter is 2 into L plus B. And for a trapezium, I think this one we didn't write on that day. Okay, so note down this formula. For a trapezium, perimeter is sum of all the sides. Perimeter is sum of all the sides and the area is half into height into sum of parallel sides. Half into height into sum of parallel sides. Trapezium is sum of all sides. Next is half into height into sum of parallel sides. And what about parallelogram? Parallelogram, perimeter is same as for a rectangle, 2 into sum of adjacent sides or 2 into L plus B. And what about area? Base into height. Area is base into height. For a rhombus, all sides are equal. So perimeter will be same as for a square. So perimeter is 4 into sides and diagonal area is, if the diagonals are given, half into D1 into D2. And the same formula only you will use for kite. For a kite, area is half into D1 into D2. And perimeter is sum of all its sides. And perimeter is sum of all its sides. Is it okay, children? Is it okay, Pavitra? That day we learned all this formula. Are you thorough with this? So in the next class, that is in the next class, be ready with the formula. So that, okay, when I'll be asking the formulas, be ready to answer all these things. Now, for a cuboid, LSA is 2 into L plus B into H. TSA, 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. And volume is L into B into H. For a cube, 4A square is the LSA. Total surface area is 6A square. And volume is A cube. For a cylinder, okay, I think all these things formula we wrote that day. Cone. Then, for a cone, we discussed sphere. Okay, sphere and hemisphere. Okay, now we are going to solve few questions based on this. Based on this, we are going to solve few problems. Okay. See, actually, these questions and all we have solved it last year. Okay, we can do some questions just as a revision. Okay, by today we will be, okay, only one more questions will, all these things will be asked from this part. Now look at this question. We can do the second question. Not second one, fourth one. Look at the fourth one. Read the question. Okay, is it clear, children? That board, is it clear? Question, fourth one. Can you see the fourth question? Is it okay? Pranav?
Yes, ma'am.
Write the fourth question, children. A cone is surmounted on a hemisphere. A cone is surmounted. Surmounted means cone is on the top of a hemisphere. Base is hemisphere. Over the hemisphere, we have a cone. The radius of the cone formed is 6 centimeter. The radius of the cone is 6 centimeter. And its height is 21 centimeter. And its height is 21 centimeter. Find the CSA of the solid and the volume of the solid. CSA of the solid and the volume of the solid. A cone is surmounted on a hemisphere. The radius of the solid is 6 centimeter and the height of the solid means the total height is given as 21. Find the CSA and the volume. Okay, draw that figure also. Draw that figure. Okay, shall we start doing this? Okay, so read the question once again. It is given, cone is surmounted on a hemisphere. And look at the radius. The radius is given as, what is the radius given here? So two things are there. Cone is there, hemisphere is there. What is the radius of the cone? What about the radius of the cone? Pranav?
6.
6. So what will be the radius of the hemisphere? That is also
6.
6. Now, the total height is given as 21 centimeter, isn't it? The height of the solid. So, what will be the height of the cone? What will be the height of the cone? Vinay?
50 centimeter.
15. Very good, Vinay. Okay. So, height of the cone is from the total height, you subtract the radius. So, which is 15 centimeter. Height of the cone is 15 centimeter. The first thing we want to find is CSA. What is CSA of the solid object? So CSA of the solid object is, two objects are there. Two things are there. CSA of cone, one solid object. Okay, you can divide it into two parts. Cone and hemisphere. CSA of hemisphere. What is the formula for CSA of a cone? Pavitra?
Ma'am, pi RL.
Very good. It is pi RL plus CSA of a hemisphere. Abdullah Man.
Only 2 pi r square.
Very good. 2 pi r square. Okay, make the formula booklet. Okay. Now, L we don't know. We have to calculate L. So, for finding L, use the Pythagoras theorem. L square is equal to R square plus H square. So 6 square plus 15 square. 6 square is 36 plus 15 square is 225. So when you add this, what is L square? Pranav, what will be L square, Pranav?
Root of 261.
It is 261, isn't it? So L will be root of 261. So here if subs pi, we can take pi r, we can take it as common. So I'll get L plus 2r. Pi r into L plus 2r. Pi, if nothing is given, either you can take 22/7 or 3.14. Here 3.14 into r is 6. What is L? Root of 261 plus 2 into 6. That is same as 6 4s are 24. 18.84 into what is square root of 261? Approximate value is enough. 261. We are going to find out the square root. Okay, division method we are using here. 1 time 1, you get 161. 1, if you double it, you will get 2. Okay, here, what is the value we are writing? With that same number only, we will multiply. So how many times it is possible? 2. Suppose we take 7, 27. 7 sevens are 49. 7 twos are 14. 14 plus 4 is 189. It is exceeding. So suppose we take 6, 26 into 6. 6 6 are 36. 12, 156, isn't it? So you can take 16, 156. So balance is 5. Now it is not possible. So put dot and add 2 zeros. 16, when you double this, you'll get 32. Isn't it? Again, how many times it is possible? Only one time, isn't it? One time, 321. If you put 2, it will be exceeding. So we get 16.1. So it is 16.1 plus 12. Approximate value is enough. 16.1 plus 12. Now multiply this, simplify and give the final answer. Is it okay, children? This method, is it okay? Are you able to recall this? We have learned this in 9th standard. Sorry, not 9th, 10th standard. Last year we have learned. Is it okay, Aman? Pranav?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, try this one. Finished? What is the answer, Pranav?
529.404.
529.04.
404.
529.404. Is it correct, Krishna Kanti? Are you getting? Yes. Aman, Pavitra are able to complete that one. Vinay?
Yes, ma'am, completed. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Shall we move on to the next one? So next type. Okay. From this topic, you'll get 1 mark question, children. Okay. Not a very 2 or 3 mark question. From this topic, you'll get 1 mark question. Now look at the 5th one. Find the area of the greatest circle, which can be inscribed in a square whose perimeter is 180 centimeter. So, find the area of the greatest circle, which can be inscribed in a square whose perimeter is 180 centimeter. So, perimeter of the square is given, isn't it? From there, we have to find what is the side. Try this one. How will you do this? Think about this and give me the steps. Write the question. Find the area of the greatest circle, which can be inscribed in a square whose perimeter is 180 centimeter, 180 centimeter. How to solve this? So perimeter of the square is given, isn't it? Perimeter of the square is 180. So if you take the square, for the square, perimeter is given as 180. Centimeter or meter, Pranav? What is the units used there?
Centimeter.
Centimeter. From here, what will be the side? What will be the side of the square? Aman.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what can you give the side of the square? Perimeter of the square is given. What is the formula for perimeter of the square?
Ma'am, A square.
Is it A square? What about the area of the square? Yes, what is the formula for area of the square? Area of the square is? Yes, Pavitra. Area of the square is? A square. So what is the side? What is the perimeter? 4A. Okay, Aman, listen. 4A is the perimeter of a square. 4 sides are there. 4 into sides. And what about area? It is A square. A square is the formula for area. So here 4A is given. From here, what is the side? 180 by 4. So it will be the side. Yes, Pranav. What is 180 by 4?
45.
45 centimeter. So imagine. Okay, one square is there. Yes, this square is circumscribing a circle. So what is the diameter or what will be the radius? Diameter of the circle will be same as?
45.
Yes, very good. So diameter is 45. So for the circle, diameter will be same as side of the square. So which is 45 centimeter. From here, what is the radius? Radius is 45 by 2 centimeter. Now find out what is the area of the circle. Area of the circle is pi r square. Pi, if it is not given, you take pi value as 3.14 into 45 by 2 means it is 22.5 to 22.5. Cut short this, simplify and find out the answer. I think, yeah, no need, okay, nothing, you can cut short it, you can simplify. Multiply and give the answer. What will be the answer?
Ma'am, 1599.625.
1,500 and
89.625.
is it correct? Others check it, Pranav. Is it correct, Pranav?
Ma'am, I didn't complete.
Okay. So once you complete this, you give me the answer, okay?
Ma'am, it's correct.
It is correct. Yes, I got the answer, this, children? Is it okay? Okay, finished, Krishnakanti? Okay. Vinay, Pavitra, Aman. Shall we move on to the next one? Now try the next question. Try the next question. Try this one, ninth one. Write the question and try to give the answer. Area of a circle is numerically equal to twice of its circumference. Find the diameter of the circle. Area of a circle is numerically equal to twice of its circumference. Area of the circle is equal to twice of its circumference. It is equivalent to twice of its circumference. Find the diameter of the circle. How to solve this? Try this. Area of the circle, what's the formula? It is equivalent to twice the circumference of the circle. So apply the formula, equate it, cancel the terms, and what is the? Okay. What do you have to find there? What's the diameter of the circle? So it is given. Circumference of the circle is, what is the formula? What is the formula for area of the circle? Now apply the condition. From there, find out what is the diameter of the circle. Yes, once you finish it, give the answer. Don't hesitate.
8 centimeter.
Yes, it is 8.
8 centimeter.
8 centimeter. Okay, question, what is it given? Area of the circle is equal to twice its circumference. Area of the circle is equal to twice its circumference. So area of the circle is pi r square is 2 times its circumference. So 1 pi you can cancel, 1 r also you can cancel. So r is equal to 4. Yes, it is correct, Vinay. So 2r will be same as the diameter, which will be 8 centimeter. Okay, 8 units, because we don't know is it centimeter or meter, because it's no units is given, isn't it? So you can write this as 8 units, because if it is in centimeter means should be mentioned. Okay, or if it is in meters, we don't know. So you can write this as 8 units. Okay. Okay. Next one. Try the next one. Okay. Look at this question. How to do this one? 11th one. Find the area of the shaded part. Is it clear? This part? Sakunthala designed a toy car. Help her to find the area given below. Both the triangles are identical. What is its shape? What is the shape of this car? What is the shape of the car here? This as a whole. Okay, if you take the shape of the car, it is it a trapezium or not? Is it a trapezium, children? And for a trapezium, what is the formula for area? Area of trapezium is given by what is the formula for area of trapezium? Half into h into half into height into sum of parallel sides. Half into height into sum of parallel sides. So look at here. What is the height here? Height means the distance between the parallel lines. What is the distance between the parallel lines here? Is it 5 centimeter? Distance between the parallel lines is 5 centimeter, isn't it? And what about the length of the parallel lines? If you look at the top line, what is the area of the top line? Pavitra, sorry, not area, length. What is the length of the top line? Pavitra?
12 centimeters.
12 centimeter. And what about the base? What about the base? What about the base? I think here these two circles will not come. Okay. So what will be the base? Here it is already 12. If you take this rectangle part, it is already 12. And this side we have 2. This side we have 2. So what will be the length of the base? 12 plus 2 plus 2. So it is 16. Base is 16. So apply the formula. Apply the formula. Okay. It is in the form of a trapezium. For a trapezium, okay, it is in the form of a trapezium. This side is given as 12. Here we have 12. And here it is 2 centimeter. Here it is 2. And height is given as 5. Is it 5 height? Pranav, is it correct, Pranav? Whether the height is 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, what is the formula for area of trapezium? Area of the trapezium is half into height into sum of parallel sides. Sum of the parallel sides. So, half into height is 5 into sum of the parallel sides. 12 plus 16. Cut short this, simplify and find the answer. So what is the answer, children? Pranav?
70.
70.
Yes.
70 centimeter square. Is it okay, Pavitra?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So from this chapter, you learn all the formulas and all related to area, volume and all. Okay. 1 mark questions will be asked from this chapter, mensuration. Okay. Okay. Just what you have learned in our 10th standard and 9th standard. Similar questions only are there. Finding the area of the shaded part or finding the volume. Okay. With this, we end this topic. Okay. In the next class, we'll be starting with linear inequalities. Linear inequalities is there. That is again an easy topic. Okay, we'll start with that in the next class. With this, we wind up. Thank you.